Django provides an excellent API to play around with your project. We can invoke that API by using a Python shell. Go inside your project folder and use the command python manage.py shell, and it will open an interactive Python shell for you. And here we can use Django API. So let's try to import our model task from the models file inside our app1. Here you can see task.objects.all returns a query set, and inside that query set we can get the task available in the database right now. Let's try to create our first task from the Python shell. Here at the line 1, I have created a new instance of task and assign it to the variable t1. And at the next line, I'm calling the save method of Django ORM to save that into the database. And after that, when we are executing the objects.all method, in that case, it's returning that there is one task available in the database. However, we can modify the output we are getting from the query set. Let's go to our models file and update that. Here, after the declaration of table columns, we will define a method called str. So here inside the str method, we're passing the current object and it will return the text for the current task. Let's save it and give it a try. We are getting the exact same output because once we change something inside our model file, we need to restart this shell. In order to exit from shell, use the exit method. Now we will go back to our shell again and just like the last time, we need to start by importing our model task first. Here you can see. Now, instead of showing how many objects are there, it's returning the text of a given object. Let's create another object. Let's save it. Here you can see. We have created another task and saved it into the database. And now we are getting our two tasks from the database by using the all method of objects. So this is how we can use the Django API in a Python shell to play around with our project.